A lawn is only as good as the earth in which it's growing. If your grass is not looking the way you'd like it to, well, maybe it's time to test the soil. A basic test will determine if your soil is too acidic or alkaline, detect high levels of soluble salt, which can come from lawn water or fertilizers, and measure phosphorus and potassium, both important lawn nutrients. You'll want to take several different soil samples from each unique area of your yard. Using a shovel or garden spade, make a V-shaped groove in the lawn 4 to 6 inches deep. With a trowel, remove a 1-inch thick sample from the center of the V. Place the soil in a clean plastic bucket or container. Take additional soil samples from 5 or 6 other locations in the same area. Combine all the samples in the same bucket. Remove any grass, roots, litter, or rocks. Then mix the samples together to blend them. Now you're ready to have your sample tested. Your local Agricultural Research and Extension Center can do it for you, usually at no cost. Or you can purchase a soil test kit like this one. All you need to do is fill in your name and address, place the soil sample in the pouch, and drop the kit in the mail. The testing lab will complete the analysis within 3 days of receiving the sample and send you an email link where you can view the results. If any of the values are too high or too low, your soil test report will tell you what to do about it. So why guess what your grass needs when you could know for sure?